Hello, and welcome to the demo of my customer portal, a ServiceMate add-on which allows you to communicate with your customers more effectively. Once you have connected to the My Customer Portal add-on, the first thing is to go to Accounts, Add-ons, and then select the My Customer Portal icon to set it up. The first page is Clients. You can set up the customer portal access for each client from here. The first thing you need to do is sync data so that your clients list will appear. Please note, the initial data sync will take quite some time if you have a lot of data. You can refresh this page in a few minutes and check if it's done. Once done, the last sync time will be shown here. Now, click the Edit button to set up the customer portal for this client. Once the portal is enabled for this client, you can see all these fields including login email, turn on future jobs, turn on future attachments, allow customer to request jobs, allow customer to send notes, allow customer to attach files, and display business info. You can tick or untick them based on your business needs. You can also use the Turn on all past jobs and Turn on all past attachments buttons to make all past jobs and attachments in those jobs accessible from the customer portal. Once done, click the Submit button to submit your changes. Let's move on to the Access Control section. In this section, you can control which users can access the add-on settings section and which users can access the add-on from the job card. Now, let's move on to the Settings section. First, you can set up the format and content of the customer notification email, your business contact email, your notification email when the customer requests a job from the customer portal, and your business info shown in the customer portal. Furthermore, you can upload your company logo to be displayed in the customer portal, determine if the sites should be collapsed or expanded in the main page, decide whether to automatically pull job description to the customer portal, and show job category in the customer portal or not. Now, let's change a few client options, send a client notification email, and log on to the customer portal to see how it works. Let's see what the notification email looks like. It will basically include the portal's URL, the client's login email address, and the password. Please note that the client's password will be reset to a random 6-digit number when you click on the Notify button. Now, let's log on to the customer portal. Enter the customer login email address, the password, and click the Login button. This is the main page of the customer portal. You can see that all sites are collapsed because in the settings section, we decide to collapse sites by default. We can expand each site to see jobs of that site, including job number, job address, next booking information, and job category if you decide to show it in the customer portal. You can click View Detail button to enter the job details page. In this page, you can see jobs description and job notes between you and the customer. Please understand that these notes are completely separated from your ServiceMate job notes, as we know that some of the ServiceMate job notes may not mean to be visible to the customer. You can also see the list of job attachments here. Only the attachments you turned on for the customer portal will be shown in this list. The customer can download the attachments or upload a new attachment to the job if they are allowed to do so. The customer can also add a note to the job. As mentioned before, these job notes are completely separated from ServiceMate job notes. Now, let's go back to the home page and see how Job Filter and Request New Jobs work in the customer portal. In the keyword text box, you can filter the job list via site name, job address, job description, and job category. For example, if you enter 11 here and click the filter button, only the jobs under site 11 will be shown below. The customer can request a new job using the Request New Job button. Simply select a site and the job address will be automatically populated. Then enter some job descriptions, contact first name, last name, email, mobile number, and then click Submit. A new job will be created under the selected site and you will receive a notification email. The customer can view the details of the newly created job, add some new notes, or upload an attachment to it. Now, let's go back to the dispatch board to check the newly created job. You can see that the job description and contact details have been available from the job card. Then you can go to the Add-ons menu, click My Customer Portal, and a pop-up window will appear. As mentioned before, the job description and job notes shown in the Customer Portal are completely separated from your ServiceMate job description and job notes. You can now update your job description for the Customer Portal and add notes for the Customer Portal from here. The last part is to maintain the attachments accessibility from the Customer Portal. We will attach a picture to the job card and then maintain its accessibility from the Customer Portal. You can see that by default, this picture is accessible from the Customer Portal because we turned on the option Automatically Turn on All Attachments for this client. Now, if we go back to the Customer Portal and refresh the job details page, the new attachment will be shown here. If we decide to hide this attachment from the Customer Portal, we can turn it off from the pop-up window from the job card. Then it will disappear from the Customer Portal.